This is how to upload a PDF to NotebookLM. From your NotebookLM dashboard, click Create New or choose among your existing notebooks. So we'll just click Create New. Then from here, click Upload Files. Then choose your PDF file and click Open. And on the left-hand menu, you can see your PDF. You can also add more. Just click Add Sources on the left-hand panel. Just choose Upload Files. And also, you can open your Google Drive if you have uploaded a PDF file on it. Okay, let's open this PDF file and just click Insert. And this is how to upload a PDF to NotebookLM.